UAVS stock analysis. This is for tomorrow, Wednesday, and onward. Pretty much tomorrow's Wednesday, you know, the 29th of January. And Ageagle Aerial Systems system stock. It's starting to kind of go down, although Tuesday was a bullish performance. How does this look like specifically right now? Coming down here, you will see that all of my drawings beforehand were black. That's purely because my chart color, like background color, was white. And I mentioned how if I, okay, this is how this looks like. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, I mean, the idea that it's still bearish definitely still gonna stick here. I mean, I'm not gonna add anything else other than the fact um, that it broke this structure for a second time. And you know, double breaks is what actually determines structure. So for me, if it starts breaking above 430 or something, then and only then I'm gonna be bullish. But right now, I mean, sticking to my edge that I've refined over 35,000 videos, this is exactly how it looks like. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and easy way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.